Hey guys, welcome to my crazy life. It's Lori. Got a cold. I have a quick review for you of something that I was sent in the mail, and I love it. And if you're a follower of my channel, you saw the short video that I did. Oh, my eye. But this was sent to me. It is a replica, but I love it. It is great quality. The stitching is fantastic. I love the handles. I don't know if they're shorter than any of the other bags, but they're just a tad short, but I'm okay with that. We have all the details. I love the safety features on the inside where you can, it's a satchel bag, so you can lock it shut with this clip, but you also have a compartment in here. And it came with this little zip wallet that will very much come in handy. So today I'm going shopping with my family. And I only put in here so far my wallet, my phone, my keys. I'm giving this little drink koozie to my cousin. And I have a protein bar. Now, have you ever been shopping at IKEA? You'll know that you need... Oh, there's a thread. I need to sew that. You have to bring your own bags or buy a bag at IKEA. So I'm bringing this with me because it will hold a lot of things that I'm buying. And I don't think I'm buying anything big. And if I am, I do have this bag with me as well. That's an IKEA shopping bag, which are fantastic. But that's a different story. So this one will hold things that I purchase, and then I don't have to carry 10 bags with me. It goes with all my outfits because I'm a blue girl. I love me some blue. The stitching with the top piping at the bottom is fantastic. The bottom is nice and smooth. Your ombre print goes all the way down. And again, I don't know, somebody can tell me what these little side dealies are for, because I have no idea. I don't know. But, and on the inside, it is fabric lined with a coordinating blue fabric. And then all the seams are sealed up lovely. The quality is fantastic. So when I go shopping or I'm out and about, I can use this bag and it will hold all the things that I need. I know, isn't it exciting? Maybe I'll do a little footage of it in the store with me because we are going shopping. All right, guys, link in the description box. Guys, I'm headed out on an adventure today, and I wanted to show you. I've been using this bag for about a week and a half now, and I am loving it. It is holding up so well. I cannot tell you. I haven't done anything as far as decorating it, but I will. I want to get some bag charms for it that I could put on here because this has been my everyday bag. It's been my go-to. And if you know me, I'm a note taker. I bring all of my drink mixes with me. I even have a fan in here in case I get hot. Paperwork, oh my gosh, everything. Medicine, and even some beauty products. So I'm loving it. It's holding up fantastic. Let's take a look. Take it for a spin, shall we? Fits over my arm perfectly. I can hold it in place. Tell me you don't love it, because I love it. If you'd like to get one for yourself, description box below, there's a link, there's a discount code, it's all there. Hey, my neighbor's watching me. Hey, Theo. So if you want to get one for yourself, I say go for it. We only live once, friends. YOLO. I love it. She's so pretty. I'm out thrifting and I just have to look at it.